Hi everybody, we're on step 15 today, and now we'll be talking about essential oils for horses, which is one of my favorite animals. So first things first, let your horse be introduced to the oil so they can decide if they like the smell and the results. If they do happen to turn away after introducing it on your hands or in the bottle, then you need to find another oil to use. You can start off with lavender, which is to reduce anxious feelings. You can use Balance, which is the grounding blend that promotes relaxation. You can use the Aroma Touch, which is the massage blend. Its soothing massage helps with muscles and problem areas. And then Digestion, which promotes digestion if they have digestion problems. And then last but not least, Melaleuca. It helps the immune function and supports hoof health. You can also make a natural insect spray, which involves 2 cups of organic apple cider vinegar, 2 cups of water, and then 40 drops of the outdoor blend, which is also known as Terra. So 40 drops, make sure that you keep it in a glass bottle. Do not leave it outside, keep it at room temperature. Remember, not plastic, glass, because the plastic will get into the oils and it will just interfere with everything. Make sure you shake before spraying it, and you will need to spray every 1 to 2 days or as much as you think it's needed. And I have another question for you guys. Can you name a book, show, or movie with a horse in it? Please let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys like this video. Comment on this video and then subscribe to the channel so you can get a lot more information. And don't be afraid to ask any questions. I'm here for you guys. If you need a question to be answered, just comment below. And I hope you guys watch more videos, and I'll see you in the next step, step 16. Bye.